Hello everyone and welcome back to the EnTech channel. The Lockheed Martin SR-72, colloquially referred to as Son of Blackbird, is an American hypersonic UAV concept intended for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR), proposed privately in 2013 by Lockheed Martin as a successor to the retired Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The company expected an SR-72 test vehicle could fly by 2025. The SR-71 Blackbird was retired by the USAF in 1998, leaving a potential coverage gap between surveillance satellites, crewed aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) and strike missions. With the growth of anti-satellite weapons, anti-access/area denial tactics, and counter-stealth technologies, it was thought that a high-speed aircraft could penetrate protected airspace and observe or strike a target before enemies could detect or intercept it. The proposed reliance on extremely high speed to penetrate defended airspace is considered a significant conceptual departure from the emphasis on stealth in fifth-generation jet fighter programs and projected drone developments. Unconfirmed reports about the SR-72 date back to 2007, when various sources disclosed that Lockheed Martin was developing an airplane able to fly 6 times the speed of sound, or Mach 6 to 4,000 of 6,400 kilometers/a 3,500 knots for the United States Air Force. Lockheed Martin Skunk Works development work on the SR-72 was first published by Aviation Week in Space Technology on 1 November 2013. Public attention to the news was large enough to overwhelm the Aviation Week servers. To attain its design speeds, Lockheed Martin has been collaborating with Aerojet Rocketdyne since 2006 on an appropriate engine. The company is developing the system from the scramjet-powered HDV-3X, which was cancelled in 2008. The SR-72 is envisioned with an air-breathing hypersonic propulsion system that has the ability to accelerate from a standstill to Mach 6 using the same engine, making it about twice as fast as the SR-71. The challenge is to design an engine to encompass the flight regimes of subsonic, supersonic, and hypersonic speeds. Using turbine compression, turbojet engines can work at 0 speed and usually perform best up to Mach 2.2. Ramjets, using aerodynamic compression with subsonic combustion, perform poorly under Mach 0.5 and are most efficient around Mach 3, being able to go up to around Mach 6. The SR-71's specially designed engines converted to low-speed ramjets by redirecting the airflow around the core and into the afterburner for speeds greater than Mach 2.5. Finally, scramjets with supersonic combustion cover the range of high supersonic to hypersonic speeds. The SR-72 is to use a turbine-based combined cycle (TBCD) system to use a turbine engine at low speeds and a scramjet engine at high speeds. The turbine and ramjet engines share a common inlet and nozzle, but with separate airflow paths.